tell you I take it off at night, the braids are back there. Let's be for real. What's up, beautiful people? If we haven't met yet, my name is Essence Reigene. I create content about lifestyle, beauty, and real estate. Let's get into it. I've been hearing a lot of compliments on it's giving 70s, 80s, you know. It is very affordable, it is very chic, it is very get the job done, it's very user friendly. For my girls that do not know how to do hair, showing you step by step literally how to achieve this because it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. Half up, half down, bang, boom. That's it, that's all. This is Outre's brand, their Perfect Line hair brand. And her name is Imani, and I got the color honey brown, DRFF4 honey brown. Okay, and she is 13 by 4 lace wig, 16 inches. 13 by 4 is pretty deep, so let's get into what is it giving. Off whatever around here, we could put off whatever color, you know. This is the stock card. So yeah, they have 6 different colors, which actually I think they have more than that because they don't have, no, vanilla mocha is on here. That's the color I want to try, it's vanilla mocha. And at the hair store, they had it on the mannequin, but it was sold out. So why y'all false advertising? Looks like outside of the pack is very much so yucky. But I guess that gives it a more natural feel, you know. Let's take all of this stuff out. Let me just show you what the lace is giving. Now I'm gonna try it on before I decide, hey, how much, you know, to consider my head small. I really want to try the bangs, right? But I don't want to limit it to just the bangs. So I'm wondering if I cut the bangs, will I be able to get it back together? But what I am going to do is flip her inside out, flip her inside out, and I am using Even Tint Spray. So there is an adjustable strap in the back. The fact that I have this adjustable strap and you just pretty much doing 1-2 with it. Now, moment of truth. As you can clearly see that the lace is doing what it needs to do, I feel like. So I really want to cut it in the bang style, right? But my thing is, I don't want to limit myself to just the bang. Like I want to get a couple of wears in her before I say, okay, I'm gonna cut Chinese bang on them. Let's see what the middle part is giving. It gives doobie wrap. I don't think I like the middle part. I think I like the side bang with the outer part. I did this part off camera for an up close and personal because y'all, the bang had me in the chokehold. But all I did was part my hair for the half up, half down. I parted a triangle for my bang and I sectioned it off. I'll also tag my YouTube short for a visual of the parting if you need that. So you use the comb to lay the pony flat and flip it out like that, like so. You know Auntie's out, but y'all call me Auntie E. So now we're gonna take the bang. I think it's gonna give what it need to give though. I feel it in my bones. And sis twisted it down like, oh my gosh, my phone's so full. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna cut long just in case. I feel like that's too long. Maybe about the nose. I feel like that's still too long too. But the longer the better. I can't get with the hair in my face, darling. It's a bothersome. It's a bit bothersome. I can't do with this hairs in my eyes. Like, it's just not giving what it needs to give. All right, and this is pretty much what the wig is giving. I created the bang, the ponytail. I saw an influencer with this similar style and I was like, I gotta try it. I gotta try it. It's giving what it needs to give. It does get tangled, so this is like, I probably put this wig on the 5th. It's the 13th, so that's 8 days ago. I don't wear it to sleep, but it does get tangled in the back. So if you probably compare this part of the video to the beginning part of the video, you will see the differences in the two. But again, it was a $50 wig. I'm not tripping because it gets the job done. Like, everybody thinks that this is this expensive hair, and no. And another thing, so when I tell you I take it off at night, the braids are back there. Let's be free. Oh, that could be the thumbnail. But no, the braids are back there. So when I say this is for my business professionals, for me, I'm a real estate agent. I literally go out the house. Sometimes I don't even have to redo my ponytail. But it's really cost efficient. It is kind of cooling down, so the wigs aren't as hot. But if you don't want to wear braids at the moment, this is really quick. It is really easy. I definitely recommend. I'm definitely going to keep buying them. So if you would like to keep seeing reviews on them, if you have any questions regarding this unit, comment below. It is a kinky synthetic wig. This isn't my first synthetic wig, but they get the job done. That's my thing, and it's a fraction of the price. I think I'm gonna order another one. I have an event, a webinar actually, and I'm like, okay, maybe I could just stay blonde. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know the goods and the bads about the wig. So let me just say, the pros are it's convenient. It was very affordable. And literally, I just put it on, take it off. It looks good. It gives that girl. Like, I would definitely buy her again. I know that I cut the bangs, but the pro is that I can still flip it to the side. I can part it down the middle. And obviously, you will need a flat, what is it called? A hot comb to lay down those edges. But this style really gives what it gives, and I may actually wear it that way today. If you would like to see more reviews, matter of fact, tag Outre, because this is not sponsored, but it could be, respectfully. Okay, I have been like, I'll twist my curls to the front, do a little dance with it like that. I would like to see this style in a clip, like with a banana clip clipped up, because that's what this kind of gives at the top. But just turn the curls out like that to keep that little wave going. But comment below, what y'all think? Is it giving what it needs to give? Is it giving day in the life of a busy professional? Let's throw it on. It's already curled. You might have to brush it with your fingers or a comb, but other than that, like, literally, I put it on the rack when I get home. And when it's time to get dressed and go outside, I throw her on like a hat, respectfully. So she definitely gets the job done. I will say that. I definitely recommend. You have to be very gentle, unlike me. Like, always keep your brush detangled from the ends and go up to the root. But it's giving $50. It's giving $50. So for my people that has made it this far in the video, I with you, because you with me, comment down below. Leave a review on the wig. Is it giving what it needs to give? Is it 10 out of 10 you do recommend? Would you want to try it? Let me know. Tag Outre, let them know I am that girl. That girl is she. Send a wig for me. 1 or 2 or 3. Matter of fact, put me in the tray. Put me in the stew. Put me in the stew. Put me in the stew. No, if you made it this far in this video, I with you, because you with me. Like, comment, subscribe, save it for later, share with your homegirls, share with your homeboys, and I'll see you on the next one.